and welcome to the next episode in the CRMCS guide to how you can reduce the amount of data that you're getting from your tables. So once you've imported your data using the get data method that we showed in the last video, you'll want to head over to this transform data button. Once you click this, a separate window will open, and you can see on the left here a list of your queries that you're currently connected to. These will be your different data sources. We're going to be looking at the account table today. Once the table's finished loading, you'll see a full list of your records and the data within them. You can simply scroll down and it will take a moment and more will load. So you can see the full range of data that is currently being retrieved. You can highlight the column and then you click the down arrow here and it opens this table here. This will let you apply a temporary individual filter if you don't want to include all names, but instead you can quite simply click equals and then begins with, for example, A. And then you click OK, and it now will apply a filter. And now we will see that our data has been filtered down. So you can see a reduced record of only 8 records. If you find that that isn't exactly what you wanted, you can always make your way over to here, and you can see the red X on to the left of the applied steps. If you click that, that will simply remove your filter. Alternatively, if you wish to see what your data was like before, you can hit navigation and that'll bring you back and it will show you the full data list you had. You can apply filters from multiple columns at the same time. We're going to filter down our created on field as well. So if we go to here, we go to date time filters and we go for before. We'll see this open. It's before, let's say, the 1st of the 1st, 2020. And there we go. Now we can see we're only getting data record for 2019 and earlier. Another useful ability for date records especially is the ability to transform. So for example, we could say we want the date only. This means that we'll cut the times out of all of our year values. And now you'll see that the times have been removed from our dates, which is quite handy for if we're wishing to create a filter, for example, or a slicer, which doesn't really need to rely on the times if we only need the day or the month. And you can go even further if you go into right click on there, go to transform. You can even cut it down to just the year, just the quarter, just the month, and so on. But once you're happy with the filters that you've applied to your data, simply make your way to the top left up here and then click close and apply. You can also choose to apply, or if you wish to discard everything you've done, just hit close. But in this case, we're going to hit close and apply. This will shut down this window, and you should see very shortly a text box appears here where it's showing you the status of your transformations that are being applied. And there we go. Now that that's done, we should see the account data will be filtered. And anytime we then start to use the account to build our visualizations, we'll now only get records that are from earlier than 2020. This allows you to control and manipulate your data as a whole. However, in later episodes, we're going to be working with the filters pane here, which allows you to apply filters on your data, but only for individual visualizations. This lets you create more of a specific thing between tabs. For example, if you wanted a 2020 tab and a 2021 tab without needing to reduce your data entirely. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you wish to stay informed and watch out for the next video, make sure to make your way to www.crmcs.co.uk and sign up to our monthly newsletter where all future updates regarding our next videos will be going out. Thank you, and we hope to see you next time.